Okay, so check this out. I saw this rolling in this morning, but I was putting up my awning and had poles in my hand at the time, so I couldn't take a photo. So I've just come back down to check it out. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Actually, I've seen a few crazy things at this show, but this is really cool. This is the SuperBugger. It's a Volkswagen with a trailer stuck onto it and Shasta wings. And let's go have a look inside. So that's where they drive. There's actually a steering wheel in it. And then, how did they do this? And then look, it's actually a camper with the seats and the stove and the icebox, and check out the ceiling and a fantastic fan. And that is the SuperBugger. Very 70s, very cool. Everyone's like, what is this thing? Check it out. What the?
It's a 77 SuperBugger. There was a company out of Costa Mesa, California back in the 70s called Super Campers, and they made about 300 of these.
Oh, so they actually made it like
You can buy them right off their showroom floor with a new motor, new transmission,
I
full
thought it was
warranty.
just you just doing something crazy.
No, I put the Shasta wings on it.
Yeah, well, that's crazy.
Yeah, but I put a big motor in it, lowered it, did four-wheel disc brakes, and
That's amazing.
ready for camping.
And what year is it?
It's a 77 is when they made it.
77. And your name is?
Tom.
Tom from where?
From Olympia. That's too far.
Washington. Nicely done. I saw you rolling in, but I had an awning pole in my hand at the time, so I was like, I'm going to chase that man down. So
Very
nicely done. Thanks for letting me look around.
You bet. Thanks a lot.
Okay. So there you go. It's a genuine thing. It's a SuperBugger. How crazy is that? I really just thought it was some crazy hot rodder's fantasy, but no, it's a real thing. So there you go. That's my something very different for the day.